Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install this update, that is KB5083769 or KB5082417 on your Windows 11 computer because of these error codes. So if you're receiving one of these error codes, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to go to Windows Update in Windows Settings, and over here you can see Pause Update option. So over here click on Pause, and once the update is paused, click on Resume Updates, and then you can check. Still not working? Type in services in Windows search box, click on services. Now find app readiness, make a double click, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted. Click on OK, make a right click on app readiness, click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted. And then make a right click on background intelligent transfer service, click on restart. Now find Windows Update. Somewhere at the bottom you will see Windows Update, make a double click, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. Make a right click on Windows Update, click on restart. And once this is done, now you can go to Windows Update. If you see retry option over here, hit retry and then check. Still not working. The next step is to run these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. So type in PowerShell in Windows search box and then make a right click on Windows PowerShell. Make sure that you run PowerShell as an administrator only. Click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Once done, copy the second command, copy the complete command, and then paste it, hit the enter key. Now run the third command. Once done, run the last command. Once this is done, you have to restart your PC, and after the system restart you can check. Next step is to run these commands. These commands are also provided in the video description. Type in cmd in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab, make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. This will run a scan. The scan will take some time. Once done, copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Now once the second scan is 100% complete over here, then copy the third command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the third scan is 100% complete over here, then restart your PC. And after the system restart, you can check. Still not working? Use Microsoft Update Catalog. Open this link in a browser. The link is provided in the video description. Over here you can write down the name of the update, whichever update is giving you error, this one or this one. So you can write down the name of the update and then go on search. Now type in WINVER in Windows search box and then click on WinVer run command. Check your Windows version. In my case it's version 25H2. Then check your system type. Go to system, scroll down, click on about option. Here you can see system type. For me it's 64-bit operating system. So for me it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 base system. If you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. For me this is the right one. Click on download and then click on KB5083769 and let the download complete. Now once the download is complete, you can click on this file and follow the on-screen instruction and you can install this update manually. Once done, restart your PC and then you can check. Next step is to close all kinds of third-party application on your computer. Uninstall third-party anti-cheat program, like if you have Faceit anti-cheat or if you have Riot Vanguard running on your computer, you can close it, uninstall it, restart your PC and then update. Also, if you have any third-party antivirus, you can disable your antivirus program while installing the update. Once you are done installing the update, you can enable your antivirus program once again. Next step is to open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, go to Advanced options, scroll down. Here you can see recovery option, click on recovery. And here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time. Once done, restart your PC and then check. Still not working? The last step is to use media creation tool. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down here, you can see media creation tool. Click on download now, and then you can run this exe file. Run this exe file and then click on accept over here. By default, Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file over here and then click on next. You can save it to desktop and then click on save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on finish over here. Let this close automatically. It will take a couple of seconds or maybe a minute to close. Once closed, go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept over here. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked. Hit install. After the installation, you can restart your PC and then update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install these updates successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.